Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. You guys don't even know, hence the smile on my face. But before we get into this video, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button and then of course hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video, because your girl uploads daily on this channel and you want to be notified. And of course be a part of the hashtag notification squad. If you're a part of the notification gorgeous squad, sound off below, guys. But let's get into this video. I'm so excited for it. If you're new to the channel, welcome gorgeous. Welcome to the gorgeous family. Totally hope you subscribe. But I am doing an unboxing, you guys. I'm so excited. I don't want this to be super long, so I'm probably going to just like show you guys pieces and put some music over it, and then I'm gonna unbox. Oh my god, this thing is heavy, you guys. All the stuff. This is a paparazzi unboxing. All this jewelry, you guys, is only $5. So I invested in some jewelry. I told you guys I had some surprises coming. I invested in some jewelry, you guys, and I will be selling everything for only $5. I did a live on my Facebook, so you can go check that out. And I will be selling live probably almost daily on Facebook. So you want to add me, my Kia Burger, add me on Facebook. But I'm going to show you guys what comes in the kit. So if anyone wants to make some extra money, you can make some extra money with me. The link's going to be down below, you guys, and you guys will get exactly what I am showing you. So the first thing is this huge box. I do have a bunch of the jewelry behind me, so if you see that, that's what it is. So I have this huge box. It comes, oh gosh, just like this, you guys. It's literally so freaking heavy. I'm going to take all this stuff out. Noah helped me hang all my jewelry. Gonna be buying like some more stuff for it. But yeah, cute little like box that you can save. So it does come with this cute little necklace holder, so I could just like set that up somewhere like so. And then it comes with like a coupon, a bunch of paperwork, some cute little stuff, and then it says feed your $5 habit. Of course, guys, like it's $5. You can't beat that. Literally, you can't beat it. You do get your own website. It also comes with, this is like super dope that they do this, and it has like literally a little toolkit, a jewelry toolkit, and then you can put like stuff in there. Super cool. And then of course it has your let's get this party started flyers. So it comes with that. You guys see that? There you go. So if you're hosting parties, it comes with, of course, another little pamphlet, a little sticker you can put on your car or wherever you want to put it. And then it also comes with this new consultant checklist. It comes with this little paparazzi book. It comes with a party checklist. It comes with, this is one of my favorite things in here. It says we have a thing for bling, and it's one of those like almost like a punch card, and it says free bling is a beautiful thing. So you buy 12 accessories and you get the 13th free. So I think that that's super dope that it comes with that. And then it also comes with some pamphlets. It comes with like receipts and things like that. And then an application information. So if you want to join, you have your applications, like everything's super legit, super cute. This is so freaking cute. It comes with a planner. So let me show you guys the other thing it comes with before we open this planner. So it comes with this welcome book. So we're gonna open this and see what's inside. I don't know where my scissors are. So let's open this and see what is inside of this. I pretty much opened all the jewelry because I did go live on Facebook and show most of it. So I opened that up, so I will be showing you guys that. Don't worry. So we're gonna open this and see what is in here. Oh, how cute. So it just has like your, oh my goodness, they are like legit. Accessorize, invite, become. It has like all the information you need in these books here. So that's that. And then next we are, and I love this box because you could like store stuff in here. You could even store your jewelry in there if you wanted to. So let's see what, oh, I'm so glad it's like easy opening stuff, because hate having to use my teeth. So this is your party planner. How cute is this? I love a cute planner, you guys. How cute. It has everything you need to know, like literally is in here. I love it. I love it. You can keep track of your clientele, your parties, literally everything is in this baby here. So now we are going to get into the jewelry. So I haven't got my little holder yet, so I have everything on here thanks to Noah. He put it on here for me. So I'm going to show you guys the first piece, and I'm going to speed it up again, you guys, so you can see it and it's not like super long. So let's go.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes.
Okay, so we do have a few fall into freedom pieces, super cute. They do come free in the 2019 fall collection for your kit. So that's if you get your kit, obviously in September. In fall, you will get a free couple pieces. So I'm going to show you guys those pieces. This one is super cute, you guys. Look at that, and it has like the ribbon. I love that everything comes with a pair of earrings. I mean, you cannot beat this for $5, you guys. Like, you just can't. You get your earrings, you get your necklaces. Like, you cannot beat it. And then there's this purple one. How cute is this? Ooh, everything's so cute, guys. Like, this is so hard not to literally keep everything. This is one of my favorite ones. I love this. Cute little, like, rustic look. It's so adorable. And look at the earrings. And then there's this one with the earrings. And I'm trying to decide, you guys, if I'm going to be, I'm going to do a live on Instagram for you guys, or how I'm going to do that. But I will be doing lives always on Facebook. And any of these pieces are also going to be on my website. So you can check the link down below and shop my website. Or if I'm doing the live, I'll like figure it out and I'll have you leave like your email if you're interested, things like that. So we are going to grab some of the other pieces that come in this kit, you guys. So I'm gonna grab this back here. Okay, so you get some rings in here, and I love that all the rings stretch, because you guys know I got chunky fingers, so literally they fit on anyone's fingers. Like, it does not matter. You get this ring. Next ring is this one. Kind of just putting it on real quick so you guys can see. And this one's cute. This is the Girl Fight purple ring. So this will match with like the neck. There's a necklace that it matches with. It's super cute. So you get those. And then you got two of these little snap-on bracelets. Look at how cute it is. It's like adjustable. So you can adjust it to your wrist. Look at this, you guys. This is adorable. I absolutely love it. It's super pretty. So we have that one. These remind me of the ones when you were younger and they would just snap. And then there's this one. I believe this is a part of the fall collection too. So it's like this leather one. And this one comes with 3 of the straps. I'm just going to stand up and do this. I feel like it'll be so much easier, you guys. And then next we have these ones, which are the Gala Go-Getter white earrings. And I'm just showing you guys everything that will come in your kit if you do decide to shop and get yourself a kit. So there's this ring, and then we have the Millionaire black earrings that match. Again, each thing, you guys, is $5. So that set would be $10. Next we have these Glitzy by Association white earrings. Oh my god, these are, I'm gonna open these. These are so cute. These are my favorite. I love big hoops, but I would rock these. These are cute. Next, we have the set here. So I'm gonna sit down for this because there's a few pieces in here. So we have the earrings, which are the Take a Vow earrings. Oh, I'm going to scoot up. Sorry guys, this video is gonna be all over the place. These are the Take a Vow earrings. we have this cute necklace that matches it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And this one comes with earrings too. It's so sturdy, you guys. Then we have a ring, and dropped it. And this ring is Vow to Wow. How pretty is this? So we have that. That is in that set. And then there's a cute bracelet that comes in this set. Alright, so that is what comes with the pearl set. So we are going to take a step back and grab a few more items. Okay, so we have these earrings, which are the Debutante green post earrings. These are super pretty, and look at how nice. Like, these are some expensive looking pieces. Then we have these ones here, which are some red ones. These will be great for fall and also for winter season. They're called a pool hooper red earring. We have this cute bracelet here, you guys. How cute is that? And then there are these tempting texture silver earrings. Look at these. They're so cute. Next set I'm going to grab is this set here. So it has the bracelet. I love the turquoise color. Like, how pretty is that? And then the detail in it is so cute. Taking to the River blue earrings. And again, these are each $5. The ring is probably my favorite from the set. And you have another set of earrings here, and you have the necklace, and you can kind of see the detailing in that. Alright, so that's that. Next we have this set here, which is the vacay mode yellow necklace and earring set, which is going to come in your kit. And then these earrings are so cute. These are one of my favorites. I love the pop of color. They give me such bohemian vibes. And these are the Daydream earrings. Next, we have this bracelet. Oh my god, it's so cute, you guys. Look at this. So cute, and it stretches. Then we have this bracelet here. Look at how cute that is. It's like so shiny because of the ring light. And then we have this one. It's so, look at the simplicity in this, you guys. It's so simple. Comes with the matching earrings. So cute. This one is mine. I am keeping it for myself. And then next we have this one. This one's really cute too. So pretty, you guys. And then of course it comes with, wow, I actually got through everything pretty quick. It comes with your cards, which are basically your cards for selling them. So there are numbers 1 through 100. It is called your party number card. So you have 1 through 100 in here, which is super cool. So yeah, that's basically everything that comes in the kit. I actually got through that way quicker than I thought, you guys. So if you saw anything you like, again, it's on my website, which will be linked down below. Everything is only $5. Yes, $5 freaking dollars. That's it, you guys. Everything I showed you, $5. So you can shop my site. Again, I probably will do another video selling some of the items. I am going to go live on Facebook tomorrow. So, or it might be today when this video is up, Tuesday. So what is it, Tuesday the 24th? It's going to be when I'm going live on Facebook. So if you catch my live, you know, first come first serve. So yeah, that is it for this kit, you guys. This is what will come in your paparazzi accessory kit. So if you want to learn how to make some extra money, you guys, and you're making money from your phone, super easy money, let me know. Again, my website's down there, so you can also just look on my website and sign up that way, and you're gonna get all this stuff in your kit, you guys. So it's a steal. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get this video to 20 likes, 20 likes, you guys. We are almost to 600 subscribers, and you know, at 600 we are doing a giveaway. So you want to share this video, spread the love, share it everywhere, you guys, because we're gonna have a giveaway. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little different, but I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Totally forgot a few things that it comes with as well. So it came with this accessorized box, and then it comes with thank you cards and some bags. But these are pretty important, so I didn't want to forget to show you guys what comes in this kit. So that's it. Bye.